All right, y'all. So we're about to make our cookies, our annual cookies.
With me.
Yes, with our family.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
I feel like we're always trying to get the tree in the background. Hopefully you guys can't see those boxes, but basically it's Christmas Eve. If you hear the noise in the background, it's my freaking Santa that is just so loud. It's not the day to have cramps. Just wanted to come and say good morning to you guys. It is actually probably good afternoon to you guys because I feel like I did a lot this morning already. So yesterday I washed my hair and I straightened it really good. So that's what I have today going on. Thank God, because I needed to wash my hair so bad. But I straightened the heck out of it, like layer by layer. So now it's like super flowy and it doesn't have like any stiffness to it. We still have to go pick up Christmas gifts, believe it or not, because it's Christmas Eve. But we also have to go to the grocery store and we also have to do Sam's Club order coming. So that's, we don't have to do anything for that. But we have to go to the grocery store because we still have to pick up. I call that, like, whenever we do Sam's Club, I call it like a big shop. And we also have to do the grocery store, not haul, but grocery store run for food for tomorrow for Christmas. So we'll be cooking a few things and then you'll probably, I don't know if I'm going to show you like me cooking Christmas dinner, but I'll cook it early enough where I probably can. This Christmas, I honest to God, when my husband talked about this, like I really don't want anything. I feel like I have everything that I want, and anything that I really want I can get after Christmas. Is not really a big deal. I feel like this year is more about like making sure the kids are okay, and that's really the biggest thing. But I don't have like, I don't know, I feel like in years past I've wanted something for Christmas. Like I want this for Christmas. I don't have anything I want, y'all. I don't know, this year's weird. It feels, this is the first year I feel like it feels different than any other year. I don't know, Christmas doesn't feel the same for some reason this year. Like it just doesn't feel the same to me for some reason this year. But that's fine. I don't really need anything. I have every single thing that I could ever want in life right now, and I'm happy. So I don't want anything additional outside of what I already have. I have a ton of stuff. I don't need another thing. Even though I do want to get some stuff, I don't want it for Christmas. You get what I'm saying? Like I just want to get like a few sweatshirts and like a defined jacket and sambas, but nothing like, oh, I want to open these for Christmas so I don't know. In my mind, I don't want that. We are gonna do redo our bedroom, and that makes me happy because that's really what I want. We really don't have much else that we're doing today besides, like I said, going to pick up the groceries at the grocery store. One of them is getting delivered. That's the one from Sam's Club, and then going to the mall to pick up like a few more last minute gifts, and that's really it for our Christmas shopping. Tonight, what you're gonna see is us making cookies. So this is 4 minutes of me talking. I'm literally gonna go edit this real quick because tonight is just gonna be like an overview of us making cookies. And yeah, that's really it. We gotta wrap presents tonight too. So making cookies and wrapping presents, I don't know how much of that you're gonna see. But yeah, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Happy Christmas Eve. Is it Merry Christmas Eve or Happy Christmas Eve? I don't know. I hope you're having a good Christmas Eve. That's what we'll say, okay? And I'll talk to you later. All right, y'all. So we're about to make our cookies, our annual cookies.
With me.
Yes, with our family. So I should probably wash my hands one more time, but we gotta wash our hands and we're gonna get started. We have peanut butter blossoms that we're making.
But you're not done. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!